For North Pakistan, heavy rain on Friday 15th August turn wetin be fine village wey dem dey call Bishnoi to total disaster. River wey dey flow gently before suddenly overflow, carry big stone and sand come, scatter buildings and wipe whole village. Rescue pipo and locals try find bodies under rocks and concrete with small hand tools because heavy machine no dey reach there. One man tok say every stone get house under am. The flood kill at least 314 pipo and injure 156 across Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province, na wetin Provincial Disaster Management Authority (PDMA) confirm. Bona district, where Bishnoi dey, suffer pass with 217 pipo wey lost dia life. Pipo also tok say plenty lives lost inside one house wey dem dey prepare for wedding. For Bishnoi, almost half of the 80 to 90 houses don finish completely and the rest, pipo no fit live inside again. Na so water without mercy turn happy community to mourning ground.